I was walking in the park and I saw a little duck. The little fucker quacked at me and so I kicked him in the fuck. I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you in the fuck. I saw a little hen and he gave a little cluck. I knew exactly what he meant and so I kicked him in the fuck. I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you in the fuck. Like Dr. Dolittle, I understand what the animals say. They tell me that they hate me each and every single day. To other people, it just sounds like a harmless quack, or moo, or bleat. But I know that they're threatening to kill me in my sleep. I saw a little pig, and he looked a little mucky. The porky bastard oinked at me, and so I kicked him in the fucky. I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you in the fuck.
And so, the moral of the story is, if you're mean to animals, a horse will kick you so hard in the fuck that you'll turn completely inside out. So don't do it, even if you do think we're going to kill you in your sleep.
I've got an iPhone, it's got an app on it, makes me happy. Happy that I've got it, I like it even more than a unicorn. It can even play this lovely song. I've got an iPhone, it plays a song of me, song makes me happy, fills me right up with glee. I get an urge to shout at the folks I see. Oh God, I'm so happy, oh my God! I love this song now, I play it all the time, I don't want to sleep, I'm really fine, some people say I'm completely lost my mind, but God, oh God, I love this song! Eat as much as you like, but still lose weight with tapeworms at Worms. We have all the worms. Ringworm, tapeworm, threadworm, earthworm. The gigantic worm that lives in the world's core that will eventually destroy us all. Stuck for a romantic gift? Why not give worms? Give your child a birthday to remember with buckets and buckets of worms. Worms! Everyone likes worms. Worms! Forget paddling pools, get a worm pit. Why bath in boring old water when you can have millions of worms? Who needs clothes when you can have worms? Worms! Don't bother owning a house, just crawl into a gigantic nest of worms. Worms!
Yeah, so the most important thing to realise when you're out looking for these miniature giraffes is that it does count as science, so you really do need to wear a science coat. So the mating call of the giraffe goes very much like this, and obviously I've been doing this since I was a small child, so I've spent many years perfecting the call. But it goes like this.
It's fair to say you started a revolution with giraffes.
Quite literally, we did revolve a lot of giraffes. And then, of course, we realised that simply by using helium, we could have them float in the sky. I'll just prop this up with this special giraffe spoon. What we're making here is a miniature giraffe trap. The thing to remember about little giraffes is that they're very heavy smokers. They love cigarettes. They can detect cigarettes from miles away using their incredibly sensitive noses. Oh, and we've got him under there. Look, there's one, see him? Oh, they're quick, aren't they? Little buggers. Did you see him? Catch him? Stand by the tree line. Stand there. No? He's gone now anyway. Probably run to his burrow. And what beautiful poetry they do write. Largely about leaves and trees and necks. You can put wheels on them, splint their legs, and ride them down a hill like a go-kart. I'm very fond of the horn things on their head, but we did try the hot air giraffes. I think, is that one? Did you hear that? Yeah, I don't know. If it was very faint, long way away. Albatrosses. And you realise with every step that you are the owner of the first human feet to tread on that particular animal. Bang. Boom, in fact. Very messy. I don't consider that tampering with nature, I just consider that progress. It's strange, I can't hear any call back. I must not have done it loud enough.